are watching Tech Engineering YouTube channel by Mohammad Abdul Mehboob, and today I am going to explain you the isometric view problem of the machine component given in the question. So hope guys, after watching my videos, please practice by yourself, then you will come to understand how to draw this problem. And this problem is applicable to diploma, ITI and engineering students, and up to 10 to 15 marks. So please guys, watch my videos till the end, and also please press my YouTube channel bell icon to get you the more notification, and please share, like and subscribe my channel. Now I will start my question. Draw the isometric view of the machine component shown in figure. This is the top view and this is the front view. So according to this top view and front view, we have to draw the figure. In the question, actually the front view will be up and top view will be down, but as given the question, this is the top view and this is the front view. So I am starting my front view from here, so I have to draw from here this front view. It should look like this by seeing this isometric view. So front view you can draw from here also, it's up to you. You can draw from here also, you can draw from here also. So I am drawing here from the front view. So how much dimension is there? The rectangle shape is of 80 mm, okay, and height is 20 mm. First I will draw this front view, 80 mm. And height is 20 mm. So I am taking 20 mm height, and I will combine this line also. You have to join this. Means this rectangle is visible from the front, and remaining this square, it is in middle. So this the square or a rectangle shape we will get here. First we have to draw this figure plate. So from the front it is looking like this, right, a rectangle shape, but from the top it's like a square shape. But I have drawn this 80 mm line, but its height is 80 mm, means this on here you are having 80 mm distance, so we have to draw there also 80 mm. 80 mm from here, 80 mm from here, then join this line. Okay, this much portion over. Now remaining this 80 and 80, we have to draw parallel to this angles 30 degree. From here 80 mm, and from here adjust here angle, and from here 80 mm. When the square plate is looking like this, on this square plate you are having a square sign, so that we have to draw at middle. So how to draw this means, first you have to see the top view. If you see the top view, the distance between this square and this square sign is how much? 15 mm. See, here you are having 15 mm distance, and here also 15 mm distance. Here also 15 mm, automatically you will have. Here also 15, means 15 distance you are having. So take a distance of 15 mm from this section from here, and from here 15 mm like this, and with this angle also 15 mm, 15 mm. Okay, then with this angle only parallel line you have to draw with the 30 degree angle like this, from where you have put the dots of 15 mm, and like this also. Okay, this square is of having how much total length? 20 plus 15 plus 15, 50. This line will be of 50 mm. Automatically you have 50 mm. See, okay, this sign at the middle, if you see from the front, means this front view, this line is how much? This center square width is how much? 20 mm. So we have to draw at middle 20 mm. How to draw means, this is of 50 mm and 20 mm. You subtract 50, means 20 from 50 means you will get 30 mm. So 30 half will be 15 mm from here, 15 mm from here. So take that 15 mm, 15 mm from here. I will taking a dot from here, 15 mm dot, and this line I will have to draw. This line I am drawing. Then after, how much is the width of this, height of this square is 15 mm only. So with this angle, so first I will take the height. When height of this square is 20 mm. It means 40 minus 20 will be 20 mm only. So height will be of 20 mm. I will take height as 20 mm from this line. 20 mm line from here, 20 mm from here, and I will join this. Okay, from here at this, its rectangle shape, it is in middle, it is centrally the square is there, so resting on it, square is, it is visible from the front view. The remaining I have to draw, but we have to draw a square also. From the top view you can easily draw. So I have drawn this one, and now this line is of 15 mm, so I will take with this angle 15 mm from here, 15 mm, and here also we have to take 15 mm. Okay, when these two lines are 50 mm, that one I have taken, and these lines are also 15 mm. So with this angle you have to take 15 mm here, like this here and there. Okay, 15, this line is over. Now this line is of 20 mm, 20 mm, 20 mm. So with this angle only we have to take 20 mm, 20 mm like this. Okay, and this line is of 15 mm, 15 mm, 15, 15. So we have to take with this line 15, 15 mm. Okay, then this line is of 15 only, 15 only. So with this angle we have to take 15, 15. And we have to join this line, automatically we get the 20 mm line. Okay, this plus sign is I have drawn for the top view. The remaining height is of 20 mm. So join this line, 20 mm line with this perpendicular exactly. So like this we have to draw. 20 mm line we have to draw. Okay, 20 mm. And we have to join this line also. Okay, the remaining this side, if you see from the front, these three boxes are visible. So this rectangle shape is this one, and this square is this one, and this square is this one, and here we have to do some finishing. So just draw a straight line from here to this end. That is also visible. See, that is somewhat backside. It is, so some area is not visible. So from front it will be visible. So that is drawn, and then here also we have to do some finishing straight line like this. Okay, and this is the square shape, and the complete square I will do somewhat dark to get you the correct visibility of this figure. And this is the complete solution of this problem. Hope guys, if you like my videos, please share, like and subscribe my channel, and also press my YouTube channel bell icon to get you the more notifications of other videos, and please also practice by yourself after watching my video. Thank you.